If you've been dreaming of having a waterfront home large enough to entertain your family and friends, this is it. Gracious Southern living at its finest. Located in the South Point community at Lake James, this home is nestled into a large, private, deep-water cove, making this the perfect spot for swimming, floating, paddleboarding, or kayaking. As you enter the foyer, you will be wowed by the view from this 2-story Palladian window in the family room overlooking the level, perennial-filled wooded backyard and beautiful Lake James. This grand home impresses with its 10-foot ceilings, hardwood floors, and natural light throughout. Here on the main floor, you will find the formal sitting and dining rooms, as well as the family room with a fireplace. Nearby is the large chef's kitchen with travertine tile and a breakfast area. The oversized den with wet bar provides you ample space for any sized gathering. The main level also includes a bedroom and a bath with a walk-in tiled shower, a generous laundry room, and an opening to a large screen porch with outdoor kitchen and a deck overlooking the lake. Upstairs, you'll find the spacious master suite that features a tray ceiling. The large bathroom includes a tiled shower, a jetted tub, and plenty of closet space. Also on the upper level are 4 more spacious bedrooms and 3 full baths. The lower level features a large family room with a billiard area, as well as a full kitchen. An additional bedroom and bath will make your out-of-town guests feel right at home. This opens to a covered patio and a stone patio with fire pit area. A gentle walk from here takes you to the water's edge with a gazebo, a sundeck, and a dock with a lift. This property also enjoys a level front yard, perfect for soccer, volleyball, or even croquet on the lawn. And because of this home's convenient location, you'll find yourself just steps from the South Point swimming pool and clubhouse. With easy lake access and plenty of room inside and out, this versatile property is ready to host your next social event while still providing you with quiet and comfortable lake living.